Okay, answers to the Year 8 Test 1. Right, I'm adding, so I can do some workings out by the side. 43.2 add 68.31. 0 add 1 would be 1, 2 add 3, 5, 3 add 8, 11, 4 add 6 add the 1 would also be 11. So my answer, 111.51. Subtracting, 29 take away 17.4. Now what will help if you put a 0.0 there, and that will help remind you need to borrow. So nothing take away 4 I can't do, I need to borrow. Go next door, that will become an 8. 10 take away 4 is 6. Then I got my decimal dot. 8 take away 7 is 1. 2 take away 1 is 1. So 11.6. Multiplying decimals, 6 times 3 is 18. 2 numbers after the dot, so 0.18. 9 times 3 is 27. 1 number after the dot, so 2.7. How many 3's go into 2.7? Set it out using my bus stop. How many 3's go into 2? None, because of the 2. How many 3's go into 27? 9. So my answer is 0.9. When I'm dividing by a decimal, I need to come up with an equivalent calculation. So this calculation would be equivalent to 69 divided by 3. I times this number by 10, and I've times this number by 10. Working out how many 3's go into 69. 3 into 6, 2. 3 into 9, 3. So my answer is 23. The bill for 5 people at a restaurant is £73.55, and they want to divide it equally. How much does each person pay? So it tells you in the question what operation you need to use. So we're sharing this amount between 5 people. So how many 5's go into 73.55, £73.55? How many 5's go into 7? 1, with 2 left over. How many 5's go into 23? 4, with 3 left over. 5 into 35, 7. 5 into 5, 1. So my answer would be £14.71 that each would have to pay. H. She has a ribbon that's 8 metres long, and she cuts from it 2 pieces. The first piece was 1.28 and the second piece was 0.65. How much ribbon did she have left? So my first step is to work out how much was cut off in total, and that could get you one of the marks. So it was 1.28 add 0.65 that was cut off in total. 8 add 5, 13, carry the 1. 2 add 6 add 1 is 9. 1 add 0, 1. So in total it was 1.93 metres cut off. I now need to work out the difference with 8 metres. So 8 take away 1.93. You could do this mentally. So if you were using workings out, put your zeros in to remember to borrow. 0 take away 3, we need to start borrowing. So all the way across the 8, carry it. 10 take away 3 is 7. 9 take away 9 is 0. 7 take away 1 is 6. So 6.07 left.